Hello friends, welcome to our channel STLT Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today here I am going to discuss about circuit breaker part 4. Here I am going to discuss about the rating of circuit breaker. Let's start. Every circuit breaker should have some rated characteristics. First one, rated voltage should be the highest system voltage in kV, rated insulation level, rated frequency in hertz, rated normal current in ampere, rated short circuit breaking current in MVA or kiloamps, symmetrical short circuit current. Sixth, rated short circuit making current, rated operating sequence. O means open, small t is mean time in second, C O close and open, and T in capital T is the time, and CO means close open. Number 8, duration of short circuit current. What is rated voltage? Rated voltage should be 110% of the voltage RMS level of the electrical installation in which the circuit breaker is utilized for protection. As an example, 36 kV for 33 kV installation, 145 kV for 132 kV installation. Anyhow, the rated voltage of the circuit breakers corresponds to the highest system voltage and shall be selected from the standard value given below: 3.6, 7.2, 12, 24, 36, 48.3, 72.5, 123, 145, 245 and 420 kV. Okay, next. Rated insulation level. It is the level that determines the principal dielectric qualities of apparatus and which is expressed for impulse tested apparatus by a peak impulse value and for non-impulse tested apparatus by a power frequency RMS voltage value, which the apparatus must withstand under specified test conditions. It is necessary to recognize two separate electrical conditions under which the installation of equipment may be required to operate. These conditions can be described as electrically exposed and electrically non-exposed. An electrically exposed installation is the one in which the apparatus is subject to overvoltage of atmospheric origin. Outdoor switchgear is generally associated with overhead transmission line and is therefore subjected to overvoltage of external or atmospheric origin. Most indoor equipment is for voltage rating not exceeding 33 kV. In case these are used on systems employing cable throughout the network, they can be classified electrically non-exposed. They are protected from the overvoltages of atmospheric origin. Overvoltages on such system are usually caused by switching operation. The standard wave shape of impulse withstand voltage is 1 by 50 microseconds or 1.2 by 50 microsecond wave, which means that the voltage rises to its peak value in 1 or 1.2 microsecond and falls to half its value in 50 microsecond. The circuit breaker also have a certain level of power frequency withstand voltage. Either it is electrically exposed or non-exposed. Rated frequency. The standard frequency for 3-pole circuit breaker is 50 Hz. Okay, next. Rated current. The following values of rated current have been recommended: 400, 630, 800, 1250, 1600, 2500, 3150 and 4000 amperes. The rated current of the circuit breaker is the RMS value of the current which the circuit breaker shall be able to carry continuously without deterioration at its rated frequency with a temperature rise not exceeding the permissible value. Rated short circuit breaking current. The rated short circuit breaking current is expressed by two values: the RMS value of its AC component and the percentage of DC component. A standard circuit breaker is guaranteed for breaking any short circuit breaking current up to its rated short circuit breaking current, containing any AC component up to the rated value and associated with it any percentage of DC component up to that specified at voltage below the rated voltage. At voltage above the rated voltage, no breaking current is guaranteed except to the extent provided for out of phase breaking current. The RMS value of the AC component of the rated short circuit breaking current may be selected from the following values: 6.3, 8, 10, 12.5, 16, 20, 25, 31.5, 40, 50, 63, 80 and 100 kiloampere. It is also called short circuit current and the breaking capacity. It is also called short time current. It is also called short time current. It is also called short time current, and the breaking capacity depends on the recovery voltage, also discussed in part 1, circuit breaker part 1. It is also called short time current, and the breaking capacity depends on recovery voltage, also discussed in part 1 of circuit breaker. Okay, next. Rated short circuit making current. It is a short circuit current in kiloampere peak value, not RMS, at which the circuit breaker can close is equal to IM is equal to 1.88 into root 2 into rated short circuit breaking current. Rated operating sequence. At specific circumstances, the circuit breaker operates to open and close, at which sequences are called rated operating sequence. O means open, small t, time in seconds, CO means close and open, T in minute, CO means close and open. Here T is equal to 0.3 second to 0.5 second, and capital T is equal to 3 minute. This capital T is equal to 3 minute. The meaning is that breaker can open and after T second, 0.3 second to 0.5 second, whichever is choose, it can again close and open, and again after T second, 3 minute T second, it can close and open. This is called rated operating sequence. Okay, next. Duration of short circuit current. The time duration of carrying short circuit current by a circuit breaker safely is called duration of short circuit current of a circuit breaker. This time period should be from 1 second to 3 seconds. In modern protection system, breaker opens in between 0.5 second. In electricity system, if there are any fault occurs due to short circuit or any other reasons, the relay starts working and energizes the trip circuit of circuit breaker, and the breaker separates the faulty section from the main network within a second. The time taken from activation of relay to closing of trip circuit of circuit breaker is called relay time. The time taken from trip circuit closing to opening of breaker is called circuit breaker opening time. The time taken from the opening of breaker to extinguishing of arc means zero current is called arcing time. The addition of breaker opening time and arcing time is called circuit breaker time. The addition of relay time and circuit breaker time is called fault clearing time. This is the actual short circuit duration time. Okay, next. Here I am going to discuss about some sample circuit breaker rating. Here is the voltage in kV, and here is the short circuit current rating in kiloampere and rated current in ampere. And it is 3.6 kV. The short circuit current rating is kiloampere and the rated current is 400 ampere. 3.6 10 kiloampere, 400 kiloampere, 16 kiloampere, 630 ampere, 1250 ampere, 25 kiloampere, 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2500 ampere, and for 40 kiloampere, 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2500 ampere, 4000 ampere, and the voltage for the voltage level 7.2 kV, 8K and 400 ampere, 12.5K, 400, 630, 1250 ampere, for 16K, 630 ampere, 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, and for 25K, 630 ampere, 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, and 2500 ampere, for 40K, 1050 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2500 ampere, and 4000 ampere. For 12 kV, 8K, 400 ampere, 12.5K, 400 ampere, 630 ampere, 1250 ampere, 16K, 630 ampere, 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 25K, 630 ampere, 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2500 ampere. 40K, 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2500 ampere, 4000 ampere. And for 50K, 250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2500 ampere, 4000 ampere. This is for 12 kV. Okay, next. Here is 36 kV. Short circuit rating 8 ampere. Rated current in ampere, 630 ampere, 12.5 kiloampere, 630 ampere, 1250 ampere, 16 kiloampere, 630 ampere to 1250 and 1600 ampere, 25K, 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2500 ampere, 40K, 1250 ampere, 1600, 2500 and 4000 ampere. And here is for 72.5 kV, 12.5K, 800 ampere, 1250 ampere, 16K, 800 ampere, 1250 ampere, 20K, 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2000 ampere, 31.5K, 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2000 ampere, 145K, 145 kV, 12.5K, 800 ampere, 1250 ampere. 16 kilo ampere, 16 ka 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2000 ampere. 20 ka 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2000 ampere. 31.5 ka 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2000 ampere, 3150 ampere. 40 ka 1600 ampere, 2000 ampere, 3150 ampere. 50 ka 2000 ampere, 3150 ampere. Okay, next. For voltage in kV, 245 kV, short circuit current rating in kiloampere. 20 ka rated current in ampere, 1250 ampere, 1600, 2000 ampere. 31.5 ka 1250 ampere, 1600 ampere, 2000 ampere. 40 ka 1600 ampere, 2000 ampere, 3150 ampere. 50 ka 2000 ampere, 3150 ampere. Okay, next. Impulse withstand voltage and 1 minute power frequency test. Rated voltage kV, 420 kV, 245 kV, 145 kV, 36 kV. Insulating level 1.2 by 50 microsecond. Impulse withstand voltage between line terminal and ground, kVp. For 420 kV is equal to 1000 plus minus 1425 impulse withstand voltage. And for 245 kV, 1 plus minus 1050 kV. And for 145 kV plus minus 650 kV. And for 36 kV plus minus 170 kV. 1 minute power frequency withstand voltage kV RMS dry and wet between line terminal and ground, 520 kV. For 420 kV, for 245 kV, 460 kV. This is all RMS. This voltage is in RMS. For 145 to 75 kV, for 36 kV, 70 kV RMS. Okay. If you think the video is useful to you, then please subscribe to our channel and share it to its friends. Thank you for watching the video. Meet you in the next video, circuit breaker part 5. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching the video.